I'm Terri Cummings, consultant, educator, and now author. I'm passionate about lifelong learning and making connections that align personal, professional, and organizational growth. My first book, Leave It at the Door, a self-coaching conversation for showing up in career, business, and beyond. It's about showing up with intention and as our whole selves, and having a little fun at the same time. Leave It at the Door is for leaders, managers, and any purpose-driven professional ready to transform how they show up in work and in life through intentional awareness, small mindset shifts, and owning their journey. I hope it sparks conversations about what we carry into every room, whether it's helping us or holding us back. And I also hope it sparks conversation about what we already know and guides us to lead from within. Yes, there's actually a link to a playlist at the end of the book. Music shapes how we think, how we feel, and how we show up. So I hope readers will enjoy this eclectic mix of tunes inspired by chapter themes. Check out Leave It at the Door, see what sparks for you. It may just inspire how you show up.